she
Our
started.
personal life is
No.
none of your business.
But before he could even get 1 to 2 sentences into his testimony, Melissa Hardwick has already begun to interrupt.
Nothing to do with
Miss
you
Hardwick?
boys. No.
You will be held in contempt of this court if you become disruptive.
I don't care.
But Miss Hardwick does not back down, and she doesn't shut up.
I haven't done anything to this court. I haven't done anything to
Okay.
him.
She will be arrested for
It doesn't
contempt of
It
court.
doesn't make any difference.
You will serve 10 days for contempt of court.
Miss Hardwick has other ideas.
Go now.
And like that, she is on the judge's bench.
This is a judge's worst nightmare.
The judge is just inches from this crazy woman who is apparently set on doing her harm. But before you know it, and before she can reach the judge, Deputy Adam Dodson steps in.
Get off of me!
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
We hear her yelling and flapping around on the ground, demanding that they let her go. And the judge is just kind of sitting there looking at her, like, told you.
Wait and see.
Got her?
You. You'll be saying what happened, Jennifer.
So Ms. Hardwick decides to make her matters worse by threatening a judge, not even realizing that that could be a total separate charge in and of itself that could result in jail time.
Once they got Melissa out of the courtroom, you could see the judge kind of fumbling with her papers there for several seconds. And as I watched her body language, it was clear to me that she was shaken by the whole thing, but she was able to maintain her professionalism.
A new judge will have to be appointed to represent because she will be charged criminally for the threats that were made in open court today.
She does let everyone know that she'll ultimately have to recuse herself from the case so that there can be no allegations of her having a bias against Miss Hardwick.
Melissa Hardwick receives 120 days in jail for contempt of court.
If I was Miss Hardwick, I would thank the bailiffs who grabbed her, because had she touched the judge, she would have been looking at major years in jail.
Melissa Hardwick is also charged with terroristic threats, intimidating a judge, and resisting arrest. But instead of more jail time, she receives 5 years of probation and mandatory mental health evaluation and anger management courses.
As for Mr. Anderson, he gets what he came for.
The emergency protective order will remain in place of no contact.
It makes it very hard to defend against a domestic violence accusation when you apparently are a hair-trigger violent person. And I'm sure her husband, John Anderson, was about to get to that before his ex-wife attacked the judge.